Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Now this video we're going to play Subway Surfers. Now this game is a cool game, so let's play. Let's go. Yo. As you know, I love this game because it's funny and cool too. So this my first game is this one, so I just wanted to thank who made this game because it's really cool. Oh man. Oh, you can't hit me. Duck. I know this game my dad has addicted to it. She unlocked all of the characters, the boards, and something. Yeah. So I want to prove to him I can do that too. Oh, what the? Okay, I just died. Play again. You can catch me. Yo. Oh, there's another one. I think I see. Yeah, we unlock all of it. Yahoo! Word hunt complete. Okay, thanks. Oh yeah, now I'm not using. Oh, I done again. Not using recording master because I have a new phone. That when that needs shoot, the note has viruses. On the last video, how to download and route the recording master. But if that has viruses, but it had viruses, so I deleted it. Now this is a new screen recorder. That you can download it on Google Play Store if you want to download. Okay, let's go. I'm going to use a hoverboard, my favorite. Yo. If someone hate me and I don't like him, so I'm going to give away my tablet Lenovo A5000. If you want to get it, you need to win a game. Tomorrow I will do a game, I guess. I love the graphics on this game. Another hoverboard. I'm just wasting my hoverboards, but it's okay. No! Okay. Okay. That wasn't fair. Okay. Another hoverboard. Yeah. So I'm going to use the hoverboard last time. So as you see, I don't vlog sometimes. I only have 2 vlogs, but tomorrow I think I will do a vlog, I guess. No! Okay. Oh man! The police. Oh, what price it is? Oh, money! Money, money, money! Oh, it's 1,000 coins. That's good. So, let's continue. Yay, we have money. Let's go home. Let's this. Okay. So, this one I have unlocked. This one too, but not this one. I want to unlock this one, but I don't know how to. Let's go. Okay, let's finish the game. Yeah, you can't catch me, stupid police officer. And jump. Yay! I did it. Yeah. And the master did it again. Yeah, another hoverboard. No, no hoverboard, but I can buy. It's only just 200 starties. You can catch me, yo. You can catch me. Let's get this one. Okay. Yeah. Nice fruit, yo. Oh, I'm so dumb. If I hadn't just used this one. Oh, oh no, I thought it was jump time. Yay! So I'm going to be over here because it's just the same. Oh, almost catch. Spin. So let's go. No. Yeah, I died. Yay! Another coin, but not something. So, I think that's all I'm going to record. So, if you like this video, please subscribe and like and comment. If just comment, I want to give away. So, if you want the Lenovo A5000. So, see you next time. Bye!